my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You, and in this video we are going to learn some advanced conditional formatting like highlighting cells using formula and highlighting rows using formula. So friends, if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist, and in playlist you can find Excel for beginners and Excel level 2 folders. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, you can see there is a list of students who has recently joined in degree. So I want to highlight the students according to their intergroup. To do this, first of all I will prepare a drop down list of intergroup. So I will just select the heading, copy and paste somewhere. So here I will paste. Nice. Now let me delete the CEC. I just want the heading, and now I want to prepare a drop down list. So how to prepare a drop down list? So to prepare a drop down list, we should get the list, right? So first I will go to the intergroup. I will copy the column and I will paste this somewhere, and now I will just select this and remove the duplicate values. So for that I will go to the data. In the data you will have an option called remove duplicates. So if you click and click OK. Nice. Now you can see I got three values. Now I can prepare easily a drop down list. So I will just select below cell of intergroup, go to the data validation, select list, and here in the source I will select the CEC, MEC, MPC and click OK. So when I click OK, my drop down list is ready. Now what I have to do? Have to prepare a conditional formatting that whenever I select any cell, suppose if I select MEC, all MEC cells should be highlighted. If I select CEC, all CEC cells should be highlighted. To do this, I will just select whole column, again intergroup, and go to the home tab. In the home tab, formatting, conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting there is a option called new rule. So select the new rule, and in the new rule below you can find a option called use a formula to determine which cell to format. So just click that. Here you just type is equal to first. Now select the first cell of intergroup and click function F4. So until you get G5 you click function F4. Nice. Now I will say equals to which cell? Here intergroup cell, right? So select the cell, and if when I select which color I want to make it blue color. So I will select the blue color in the formatting and click OK. Nice. So you can see automatically all the CECs are highlighted with the blue color. Suppose if I select MEC, see all the MEC cells are highlighted. Suppose if I select MPC, all the MPC cells are highlighted. This is how we can highlight the cells. Suppose if you want to highlight whole row, so instead of a cell you want to highlight whole row. So how can you do this? So for that again I will prepare another drop down list called state. So I will just select the state, copy. Again I will follow the same method. I will paste here the state. Again I will select whole row of the state, copy, and I will paste somewhere here. Right, now again I will select the whole row, and I will go to the data. In the data we have a remove duplicate values, and continue in the current sheet, remove OK. Nice. Now you can see only 4 values I can get. Right, now I will prepare a drop down list. Here I will just delete the Telangana and go to the data validation, select the list, select the cells Telangana, Andhra, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, and right, and click OK. Nice. Now you can see my drop down list ready. So now I want to highlight whole row, right? So for that again you just select whole table. This time see the difference. This time what I am doing, I am selecting whole table. So previously we have selected only cells, sorry, only column. This time I was selecting whole rows. This is the first difference. Second difference, same, you just go to the conditional formatting, new rule, and select user formula to determine, and here again same is equal to and the first cell of Telangana. Here previously we have selected see we have typed to function F4 until we get G5, but this time I want dollar symbol before I, and I don't want dollar symbol before before 5. So I want my columns to be constant and row can be changed, right? So for that again function F5, sorry F4, again function F4. Nice. Now I can see I got dollar I5, right? So I want which color? I will select yellow color, click OK, and I forgot to type is equal to, right? So is equal to which cell? The cell which is below the state, and click OK. Right. So now let us select the, suppose if I select Telangana, see automatically all the Telangana cells are, sorry, all the rows of Telangana are colored with yellow. Suppose if I select Tamil Nadu, see, only Tamil Nadu. And if I select Karnataka, see, nice, right? So this is how we can easily select cells, and we can easily highlight the cells and rows using formula. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing.